Hello folks, this is Sat from Tag Engineering doing the video series here, and today we're going to learn how to calculate areas using Google Earth. So the Google Earth only works in Google Chrome because Chrome is Google's search engine. It doesn't work in any other search engine. So we launched Google Earth there after searching, and there's a button called Launch Earth in Chrome. So that's what you'll have to click. And one thing I like about Google Earth is that they have here little snippets of knowledge when the Google Earth is launching, because it is rather heavy and it will take longer for the first time. So here I'm going to type in our office address and we'll find something close to our office to measure the area for. So it zeroes in on Canada, British Columbia, and we are in a small town, Surrey. Actually, it's a big town, Surrey, close to Vancouver. So here it's zeroing on to our office, which is on the second floor here. So we will we'll take this field. This is field for, there are two fields. So we'll take the larger one and we'll see what area this field is. Because and then the reason I want to pick this up is because it's a little crooked. So here's a scale icon. So we measure the scale, we click on that, and on the right hand side we get as to what the units. Well, the entire world is on metric units. There you will use your kilometers, meters, and centimeters. But in Canada, we are actually bilingual when it comes to units, primarily because our biggest trading partner is the US, and the US is one of the three remaining countries where they're still using imperial units. The US, Liberia, and Burma, Myanmar, which are using imperial units, but nonetheless, let's click feet. And this is the field we want to take the area of. So what we'll do is you start by clicking, and then you can zero in on this, that okay, you know what, let's just do inside or take the outside boundaries as to how much it is. So we zoom in and we zoom out in order to grab as to where we want to do this. So let's just see. The reason I'm doing this is this is not a property. This is not the boundaries of the property, but I'm just going to take the area of the green, the bare area in this field, which to use the area. So and here we close the shape, and there we go. So we have the area in square meters, and then we could just use square feet. So we have 411,383 square feet, or we have in square meters, it is 220 square meters. So there you go. Now we know how to calculate the area using Google Maps. And similarly, you could literally you could also measure the distance you have gone for a walk or your house. So the next thing, the little exercise you can do is find your house and see how much of the area is your house actually taking to cover, and how much is the green space. So let's just find one house here. Okay, this is a this is a complex. So this is a house. So this is the corner lot. So let's just try doing this again, and we click on the scale and we say feet, and here we're going to do this and just calculate the area for the house. There you go. So it is 460 square meters, or it is 4,961 square feet. So it's most likely it's what they call is a 5,000 square foot lot. And in this lot, how much of green space do we have? So we click here again, and we say, okay, you know what, distance? Yes, we want feet. and we're going to do just, this is the lot area covered by a building, by the house itself. So close the loop. Out of 5,000, 2,700 square feet is taken by a house, by the house here. So here you go. So now we know how to calculate the areas using Google Maps. Thank you. I'll talk to you in the next video.